Okay, today we'll start the class with another section of transformation of sentence, and that is interchange of degrees of comparison. Till now in grammar, whenever we used to learn degrees of comparison, we used to learn positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree only with one word like good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, like that we used to learn, right? Tall, taller, tallest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So with only one word we used to learn कि positive degree में beautiful होगा, comparative degree में more beautiful होगा और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल होगा. हम इतना पढ़ते थे. आज हम देखेंगे उसको कैसे सेंटेंस में यूज करते हैं और कैसे चेंज होता है. अगर पॉजिटिव डिग्री में कहा गया है तो वी कैन चेंज दैट इनटू कंपैरेटिव डिग्री आल्सो एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री आल्सो. So, degrees of comparison. Whenever anyone says degrees of comparison, always remember there are three degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. With one example, always remember positive degree, beautiful; comparative degree, more beautiful; superlative degree, most beautiful. So, always remember only this much. So, today, first we will see examples how they are used in sentence. So first type, no other boy is as tall as Jacob. You can see the word tall, it is in positive degree. Okay, and also take note of no other and as dash as. Also remember this is the format. So, no other boy is as tall as Jacob. Sentence starts with no other, then the subject, then as tall as smart as we have to use. So, as tall as Jacob. For positive degree, this is the format. When we are making a comparison in which we are telling one thing is best or better than the rest, when we are comparing one thing with the rest all the other things, we are comparing Jacob, sorry, yes, we are comparing Jacob with all the other boys. Okay, and we are telling Jacob is the tallest. Now when you are saying the tallest means a group of 5 or a group of 10 or in a class, Jacob is the tallest. So no other boy is as tall as Jacob. Same thing if we want to use taller in comparative degree, we can say Jacob is taller than any other. This is the format, than any other. And we are using the comparative degree form of tall. It becomes taller. So, Jacob is taller than any other boy. Means सेंटेंस अगेन मीन्स द सेम कि जेकब के बराबर ऊंचाई का कोई नहीं है. जेकब इज टॉलर देन एनी अदर बॉय. बाकी सारे लड़कों से जेकब टॉल है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, tallest. You can see we are using tall, taller, tallest. Jacob is the tallest boy. There only one thing we need to remember. Before superlative degree, the is most commonly used. The best, the most beautiful, the tallest. So superlative degree, the article the we use most commonly. So once again, I am reading this sentence. Positive degree, no other boy is as tall as Jacob. जेकब को बाकी सारे लड़कों से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं बाकी कोई लड़के जेकब की इतनी ऊंचाई के नहीं है. सेम थिंग, सेम मीनिंग वी आर टेलिंग इन अनदर वे यूजिंग कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. जेकब इज टॉलर देन एनी अदर बॉय. Superlative degree, Jacob is the tallest boy. Similarly, next one is also there. Positive degree, you can see again the sentence starts with no other. No other food is as nourishing as milk. So here the word that will change is nourishing. No other food is as nourishing as milk. Similarly, comparative degree will become milk is more nourishing than any other food. You can see same format. Jacob is taller than any other boy. Milk is more nourishing than any other food. And superlative degree, milk is the most nourishing food. So you can see here, as the first example, Jacob is the tallest boy. Similarly, milk is the most nourishing food. The, and after that it is followed by the superlative degree. Once again, I will repeat. Positive degree of 1 and 2. Both I will read together. Positive degree of example number 1. No other boy is as tall as Jacob. Similarly, of second, no other food is as nourishing as milk. Comparative degree, Jacob is taller than any other boy. Similarly, in second example, milk is more nourishing than any other food. Superlative degree, first one example, Jacob is the tallest boy. Similarly, milk is the most nourishing food. Third one is also same. Positive degree, no other city in India is so rich as Mumbai. So here you can see, here it is written so rich as. So this is up to you. You can use as rich as or so rich as. Nothing changes, everything remains the same. Comparative degree, Mumbai is richer than any other city in India. Mumbai is the richest city in India. So all these three are similar. There are no changes. Okay. Next one, positive degree.
मैम
Very
3 नंबर,
few.
मैम हेलो, 3 नंबर का
Yes.
पॉजिटिव, पहला स्लाइड थोड़ा लगाई। ये
Yeah,
तीन
you can
नंबर का
see.
पॉजिटिव में ये इज एज रीच एज मुंबई नहीं होगा?
That is what I said. You use so rich as Mumbai or as rich as Mumbai. There will be no change in the meaning of the sentence. It will remain the same. You can use
अच्छा सेम
either
है।
of the two. Yes, you can use either of the two.
अच्छा ओके ठीक है।
Okay. Now, number 4. Positive degree. This is a bit different. Understanding different है. यहाँ पर फिर मैं बता दे रही हूँ, यहाँ के तीनों सेंटेंसेस में we were saying only one is the best out of all. एक को बाकी सबसे कंपेयर कर रहे थे, कह रहे थे कि यही एक है जो सबसे बेस्ट है. Either the tallest, either the most nourishing or the most richest. Okay, or the richest. ठीक है. So यहाँ पर हम लोग एक ही को बोल रहे थे कि एक ही सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा है, सबसे ज्यादा बेहतर है, सिर्फ एक. अभी इस टाइप के सेंटेंसेस में फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ में हम देखेंगे कि फर्स्ट एग्जांपल है, वेरी फ्यू मेटल्स आर एज वैल्यूएबल एज रेडियम. इसका कहने का मतलब है, रेडियम सिर्फ इकलौता वैल्यूएबल मेटल नहीं है, मे बी और भी मेटल्स है जो कि जिसका वैल्यू रेडियम के बराबर है. देयर आर फ्यू मोर मेटल्स whose value are same as radium. Here radium is not alone the best one. There are a few others that are same as radium. यहाँ पर ये understanding है. So the sentence structure is also a bit different here. You can see positive degree starts with very few, whereas when we're saying only one is the best, it started with no other. But here very few, because there are few other metals which are having same value as radium. So very few metals are as valuable as radium. Here also you can say very few metals are so valuable as radium. Nothing changes, everything remains the same. Comparative degree, radium is more valuable than most other metals. Comparative degree में क्या difference है? यहाँ पर हम than any other use कर रहे थे, but here we will use than most other. I'm just highlighting it. Positive degree, the sentence starts with very few when there is not only one thing that is of supreme quality or the best. Okay, and we use as dash as. So this is the format of Positive degree, comparative degree. It is than most other. Before we were saying than any other, here we are using than most other. And superlative degree. Radium is one of the. Here we are using the format one of the most valuable metals. Okay, so here all the sentences, very few metals are as valuable as radium. Radium is more valuable than most other metals. Radium is one of the most valuable metals. सारे सेंटेंस में एक ही अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ रहा है कि रेडियम इकलौता वैल्यूएबल मेटल नहीं है, मे बी रेडियम के जैसा वैल्यूएबल और 4-5 मेटल भी होंगे, ओके, या फिर उससे ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. सिंस वी आर सेइंग वेरी फ्यू, so we do not know how many here. Similarly, fifth example is also same. Very few English poets were as great as Wordsworth. Means very few. Wordsworth was not the only great English poet. There were others also who were as great as Wordsworth. Similarly, comparative degree, Wordsworth was greater than most other English poets. Spelling of English. Okay. And superlative degree, Wordsworth was one of the greatest English poets. One of the means there were many great English poets. उसमें से एक Wordsworth भी था. Okay. So I will read side by side fourth and fifth together. Positive degree of fourth and positive degree of fifth example. Very few metals are as valuable as radium. Similarly, very few English poets were as great as Wordsworth. Comparative degree, radium is more valuable than most other metals. And example number 5, Wordsworth was greater than most other English poets. Superlative degree, radium is one of the most valuable metals. Wordsworth was one of the greatest English poets. So this also done. These are the only two things which we need to remember. Next is about the negatives. When we want to say a sentence that he is not good. Now we are telling that this is the best, he is the best, this is good. But now if we say he is not good, then how we will say? Okay, sixth example is again same as fourth and fifth. Very few hill stations in India are as beautiful as Shimla. Comparative degree, Shimla is more beautiful than most other hill stations in India. Superlative degree, Shimla is one of the most beautiful hill stations in India. So this was same as fourth and fifth. So fourth, fifth and sixth example are same. Now seventh one. Seventh and eighth will be when we want to use negative words in a sentence. So here, Asha is not so good a story writer in English as some other persons are. So you can see here it is slightly different. Here we have to go according to the understanding. We can even say Asha is not as good a story writer in English as some other persons are. Before we were saying as good as, so rich as. Here you can see there is a long sentence between so as and as dash as. See, Asha is not so good a story writer in English as some other persons are. Comparative degree, some story writers in English are better than Asha, or Asha is less good than some other story writers in English. Both the ways, the meaning of the sentence remains the same, only the way of telling it changes. Superlative degree, Asha is not one of the best story writers in English. So this is, you can somewhat correlate with one of the. When we are saying that Asha is not only alone like a story writer who is less qualified, but there are few more as Asha. So this is the understanding here in superlative degree. Once again, I'm repeating positive degree. Asha is not so good a story writer in English as some other persons are. So here Asha is being compared with other person, other story writers in English. So it is an open comparison. It is not restricted. Second one, some story writers in English are better than Asha. Again, meaning Asha is not as good as others. There are some story writers who are even better than Asha. Or in other way, if you want to say, Asha is less good than some other story writers in English. Means Asha कुछ और story writer जो कि English में है उनसे कम अच्छी है, उनके बराबर अच्छी नहीं है लेकिन उनसे कम अच्छी है. And superlative, Asha is not one of the best story writers in English. Means straightforward कह देना है कि since Asha is not so good a story writer as others, so she is not one of the best. There are other people who are better than her. Meaning to say, she is not one of the best story writers in English. Similarly, example number 8, positive degree. Arun is not as tall as other students. Comparative degree, Arun is not taller than some other students. You see here, than some other. We are not using here than any other, than most other, but than some other students. Or there are some students taller than Arun. And superlative degree, Arun is not the tallest of all the students. So 8 and 7, if we try to read side by side, positive degree of 7, Asha is not so good a story writer in English as some other persons are. And in example 8, Arun is not as tall as other students. Comparative degree. Some story writers in English are better than Asha, or Asha is less good than some other story writers in English. And here, Arun is not taller than some other students, or there are some students taller than Arun. And superlative degree, Asha is not one of the best story writers in English. And here, Arun is not the tallest of all the students. So here it is done. And there is one more note you need to take notice of, that here there were comparison amongst many, means one is being compared and being told that this is the best out of all. But when there is comparison between only two objects, only two person, then obviously common understanding is there, superlative degree will not exist there. When there is comparison between two, there is no scope of existence of superlative degree. Only positive degree and comparative degree will, we can change the sentence into positive and comparative, but not into superlative degree. Okay, keep this in mind, because in the exercise which I have made for you, there are few sentences where there is comparison only between two, not amongst many, but only between two. So I'm showing you the slides once again. Read it carefully. Try to memorize the type of sentences and understanding and that format. And then you will do the exercise.
Ma'am, hello.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, in the third sentence in positive degree, no other city in India is so rich as Mumbai. And the others positive degree sentences as tall as nourishing as, are here in the third sentence so rich as.
That is what I even explained that twice and thrice. He say as rich as or so rich as. Meaning remains same. There is no changes. We can use either of the two. Because sometimes when you refer to other books, you'll even see so rich as. That's why in the third example, I have used so rich as, so that you don't feel that हमने तो कुछ और पढ़ा था या book में कुछ और लिखा है. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, okay, then should I change the slide if others are not having any confusion here, if no understanding difficulty here?
Ma'am,
Yes.
could you explain the difference between very few, the few, and a few?
Very few, the few, and a few. Okay, I think you should give me time to give you the difference between very few, a few, and the few. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say Mumbai is one of the richest city in India?
One of the richest. Yes, you can say if there are other cities who are as rich as Mumbai or whom you can consider, yes, they are also rich,
Yeah,
then
also
you
there.
can say one of the. वन ऑफ
Thank
द
you.
बोलने का मतलब होता है कि
मैम मोस्ट भी तो यूज करना है सुपरलेटिव में.
सी एक्चुअली रिच रिचर रिचेस्ट होता है, रिच मोर रिच मोस्ट रिच नहीं होता है. दैट इज द डिफरेंस. लाइक ब्यूटीफुल का ब्यूटीफुलर ब्यूटीफुलेस्ट नहीं होता है, ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड का होता है मोर ब्यूटीफुल मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल.
हाँ.
हाँ, इसीलिए वी वहां पर मोस्ट रिचर मोस्ट
अच्छा,
रिचेस्ट
वन ऑफ
नहीं
द
होता.
रिचेस्ट तो वही तो हो रहा है. ठीक है. हाँ.
हाँ, द
हम्म.
रिचेस्ट.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
ओके. Second slide also you are not having any confusion, then I can go to the next slide. No problem in this slide? This is the last slide. Okay, then can we go to the exercise? So this is the exercise. There are 8 sentences, and if I'm asking you sentence 1, then you have to tell me if it is having all the, it will change into all the 3 degrees, all the 2 degrees, then you'll have to change into both and tell me. Okay, like first one, I'm just giving you a hint. A horse is more intelligent than an ass. So this is comparison only between two. So more intelligent is comparative degree, only positive degree you have to change the sentence into positive degree. You will not have superlative degree. Okay, this is the hint I'm giving you so that you don't make error. As while explanation, I already told you that if there is comparison only between two, then no superlative degree exists, only positive and comparative degree. So there are only 8 sentences. Try to solve it. Okay, I'll give you 8, 9, 10, 10 to 12 minutes. And as soon as you are done, just let me know.
Ma'am, please zoom in the slide.
Yes, I'm zooming it once. 1 second.
मैम कौन सा डिग्री में चेंज करना है?
There's a number 1 when there is comparison only between two and more intelligent. More intelligent कौन सा डिग्री होता है? कंपैरेटिव डिग्री होता है.
कंपेरेटिव.
तो सिर्फ पॉजिटिव डिग्री में इसको फॉर्म करना है, चेंज करना है. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री तो नहीं बनेगा इसका. On the other hand, second one you see, Mumbai is the best seaport in India. So this is not comparison between two. This is open comparison, right? The best है superlative degree. Then इसको तो आप लोग को change करना है positive and comparative degree दोनों में. Now is it clear?
अच्छा, ओके मैम.
Ma'am, hello, hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
What is
yes.
the meaning of the last sentence?
Okay. Jim seemed more cheerful than most of his companions. Jim is the name of a person. Seemed,
Yes.
seemed मतलब ऐसे लगता है. Cheerful means happy and companion means उसके साथ में जो भी थे. ठीक है?
अच्छा. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I think we should start discussing now.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will start with Abid. Abid Majumdar.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, we will start with you. First one, number one.
Yes, ma'am. An as is not as intelligent as a horse.
Okay, good. An ass is not as intelligent as a horse. It is correct.
Second,
Next,
okay.
no, no.
Positive.
Next, positive degree you have said, and this sentence number one will only have positive degree,
Yes, yes,
not
and
negative
so
degree.
second number. I
No,
told
no.
second.
Second you will not tell.
Oh,
Someone
okay,
else
okay.
will tell. Okay. So Moshmi, second number.
Mumbai is the best seaport in India. In positive degree, no other seaport in India is as good as Mumbai.
Yes, good. And comparative degree.
Mumbai is better than any other seaport in India.
Good. Mumbai is better than any other. It is correct.
Ma'am, in the first
Yes.
sentence, I am writing that no other ass is as intelligent as horse.
No other as. No, we cannot use no other. No other means हम लोग बाकी as के बारे में भी बात करेंगे. Okay, here only a
Oh,
comparison, a straight comparison between two. So
okay,
इसमें that no other will not be here.
okay, ma'am.
Simply an as. An as is
Okay,
not as intelligent as a horse. Okay.
okay, ma'am. Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh. Then number three, Papia.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. wait, Sitangshu wants to, Sanetro wants to ask something.
Ma'am, number two, positive degree.
Hmm.
In India, no other seaport as good as Mumbai. It's correct or not?
See, according to the format, we said the sentence will start with no other. So
Okay.
we are starting with no other. Okay, this is the format.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
And comparative Mumbai seaport is better than other seaport in India.
Seaport, sorry,
Mumbai seaport is better than other seaport in India.
seaport. Okay, Mumbai seaport you say, or seaport in Mumbai is better than any other seaport in India. Both the
Yes.
ways are correct.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Number
Yes.
three, there are few districts as fertile as Hoshiarpur, and the positive degree is Hoshiarpur is more. Sorry, the comparative degree is Hoshiarpur is more fertile than most other districts, and superlative is Hoshiarpur is one of the most fertile districts.
Um, fertile. Once again, number three is in positive degree. You have to change it into comparative and
Comparative and
superlative.
superlative.
So
Yeah,
once again, comparative degree.
Hoshiarpur is more fertile than most other districts.
But you are using fertile as fertile only.
More
Fertile,
fertile,
more, yes, more fertile. Now it is
more
correct.
fertile,
Then
and
comparative
superlative
degree,
is
superlative degree.
Hoshiarpur is one of the most fertile districts.
Hoshiarpur. Yes, it is correct. Hoshiarpur is one of the most fertile district. It's correct.
District.
Yeah. Next, number four, Malika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Number four.
In positive degree, very few poets are as great as Kalidas,
Good.
and Kalidasa is greater than most other poets.
Than most other poets. Yes, it is correct.
Uh,
Then Shubham.
most
Shubham, number five.
Gold is one of the most precious metals. So, very few precious metals are as sorry most precious
Very
metals.
few
Very
metals.
few very few metals are as precious as gold, and
Correct.
a positive degree है, or gold is more precious than most other metals,
Here,
comparative degree.
one of the, yes, than most other metals. Correct. It is totally correct. Next, number six, Sonetro.
Ma'am, I unable to do this.
Okay, I'll help you. You will do with me. Okay, number six.
Okay.
It is easier to speak than to act. This is also there is comparison between only two. Same as example question number one. A horse is more intelligent than an ass. उसी की तरह question number six is it is easier to speak than to act. So easier. The word easier is in comparative degree. So it will only have a positive degree. We'll have to use the word easy. So its answer will be okay. Before I tell you the answer, can anyone try and tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Papia.
Act is not so easy as speaking.
It is easier to speak than to act. You can
Hmm.
say
Eh,
not to act,
Ma'am,
starting with
I am
act.
writing. Ma'am, I am writing that act is not as easy as speak.
It is correct, but you are leaving out the infinitive to. You have to use that. To act is not as easy as to speak. Okay.
As to speak.
Yeah. Only you are leaving out the infinitive to. Otherwise,
If,
everything else is correct.
ma'am, if we are not using to before speak, then it is correct. Is it correct that to act is not so easy as speaking?
As speaking, no, to speak. It has to be preceded by the infinitive to speak.
To act is
Very few poet is
To
as
act
great.
is not as easy as to speak. Okay. Here we are not taking this act and speak as a verb. We are taking these as a noun. We are taking them as an object. तो ये एक चीज है जो उसकी तरह easy नहीं है. If this is speaking, speaking becomes a verb, right?
Yeah.
That is why to act and to speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so Netro, then let me see number 7. The train runs faster than a horse cart. Can you do this one, Sunetro?
Yes, ma'am, I will try.
Okay, try it.
Horse cart is not run as fast as a train.
Okay, not is run will not be there. A horse cart does not run as fast as a train.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am. Okay,
as
ma'am.
the train. Sorry, in the question it is the train, so you have to use the train.
Okay.
So it was correct. Only the tense. Once
Okay,
again,
ma'am.
I'm repeating. The question is the train runs faster than a horse cart. So here also there is comparison only between two. So we'll only have positive degree. Since the sentence is in comparative degree, positive degree, then a horse cart is not or does not run as fast as the train. Okay. Now number 8. Number 8, it
Ma'am,
again,
we can use is not.
wait, the no, not is not, is not, it was my
Doesn't.
mistake also. Does not, does not.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, again we are coming to Abir, number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, number 8.
No other is as cheaper as gym of his I'm sorry, companions.
Okay, I'm reading the questions, listen carefully. Okay,
Seems no
jim
other.
jim seemed cheerful. Jim seemed more cheerful than most of his companions. Okay, so than most of his companions, this will change its form same as example number 7 and 8.
Okay. Okay.
Then more cheerful is in comparative degree. You have to form positive and superlative degree.
Positive, ma'am. I do the same. No other is as cheer as gym office company.
Okay, you're having some trouble. Okay,
Yeah.
can anyone else volunteer to tell me the answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I am writing.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, okay, before you all write, one more thing. Jim seemed more cheerful than most of his companions. This is also simple, like first, second, and third. First, second, and third,
ma'am,
not
can I try?
fourth, fifth, and sixth. Fourth, fifth, and sixth. It is same as that. Those examples. Yes, Sunetro, you can try.
Most of his companions, Jim seemed cheerful.
No, this is not the correct one.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm showing you the example of fourth, fifth, and sixth. Try to form it in that way.
Ma'am, may
This
I?
is okay. Yeah, sure.
Very few companions seemed as cheerful as Jim.
Not very few. It is.
the,
Wait 1 second. Even I'm making mistake, I guess so.
मैम वेरी फ्यू मैंने भी यही लिखा है तो
It is
मोस्ट शब्द है
correct.
इसीलिए वेरी फ्यू तो
It is correct. Very few is correct.
Okay. Then the
Then
answer
that
is very few companions seemed
सेम
as cheerful as Jim.
yes, and this is
Okay.
like positive degree, superlative degree.
Jim seemed more cheerful than any other companion.
It is more cheerful than it has to be most cheerful in
वन
superlative degree.
Most, yeah, ma'am,
मैम
most.
Hello,
वन
ma'am.
ऑफ द मोस्ट
One of the most.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Wait, she is answering. Let her finish the answer. Then I'll listen
Okay.
to you. Okay.
Mm,
Once again, tell the
Jim,
superlative.
yes, ma'am. Jim seemed most cheerful than any other companion.
One of the most cheerful.
One of the
Hmm.
most, yeah,
One
ma'am.
of them.
Jim seemed one of the most
Most cheerful than any
than
other.
than any other companion.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I think superlative degree, I'm also making this mistake. Superlative degree, we do not use than any other or than many other. The sentence will
Yeah,
get
yeah,
add.
ma'am. It is
Yes.
comparative.
Yeah. Jim seemed the most, one of the most cheerful. That
Most
is also
cheerful.
the length. Yeah.
Cheerful
Okay.
persons ऐड कर दिया मैंने
Cheerful
मैम.
So
person.
Person
Ma'am,
is cheer.
Jim
you can
seemed
add.
one of the most cheerful companions.
No, not companions.
Companion
Jim, we are
कैसे
talking
होगा?
about Jim here. We are talking about Jim. So person can be added here, not companion.
Person
Hmm.
can be added here. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Abir, you are saying something?
No, ma'am. I think I am not audible. That's
Okay, no problem.
why.
So this chapter is also not easy. Only take screenshot or note of these examples. These all 8 examples, and just keep on giving it a slight reading along with the understanding, and it will be like in the tip of your tongue. Okay. Also, one more thing I would like you to take note of. This is when you don't know how to form a sentence. Okay, then you can follow this sentence, but sometimes it happens. You are in a store. You are in a store and you like one cloth. So in the present situation, you're comparing one dress with the other dresses. Okay, so simply you can say this dress is the best. Is the best. That is also comparing. Is the best means इस store में जितने भी clothes है उससे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा तो यही है. There we are not following this particular format of the sentences, but the sentence is correct. Okay. So when sometimes people don't know how to use it, for them it is this format. You can go with this format. Means when you're in a distance, you're talking as a third person. But when you are right in front of, when you are making comparison right in front of the thing, then it sometimes may happen that you need not follow these format. Okay, like I gave you example, this is the best out of all dresses in this store. So you can see this sentence is correct and this sentence is comparing and is being told in the superlative degree. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So today I tried to find out vocabulary. Today's also it is very easy one. Just it will be like a quick recapitulation for most of you. Okay. So first word abandon. Abandon means to leave, to quit. Sometimes we say abandoned house, abandoned city, and some children even say my parents abandoned me. उसे छोड़ दिया गया. So leave, quit, and its antonym is continue or keep. Second word is abolish.
Excuse me,
Abolish.
ma'am.
Yes.
Abandon is not also used. We used that India is abandoned in materials.
No, no, that is abundant. Abandon and
Abandon.
abundant. Number five is what you mean to say. Number five, you can see abundant, ample, bountiful.
Oh, okay, okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Abandoned.
Abandon. Yeah. Abandon. Abandon means I was abandoned by my parents. My friends abandoned me. Means मतलब मुझे छोड़ दिया अकेले. That is
Okay, ma'am.
abandon.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Second word is abolish. Abolish means किसी चीज को खत्म करना. Invalidate, cancel, nullify. Okay, if you forget abolish, then remember the word cancel. Suppose sometimes a rule gets abolished, some regulations, rules and regulations gets abolished means they get cancelled, means they will no more be in action. And its antonym is establish or set up. Abolish means खत्म करना, तो antonym means शुरू करना, and शुरू करने के लिए we have words like establish and set up. Next word is abrupt. Abrupt means sudden, अचानक. Okay, abrupt ending. She started speaking abruptly means अचानक से बोलने लगी, अचानक से खत्म हो गया. And antonym. Antonym is gradual or smooth. Gradual means अचानक से नहीं होना, gradually with the course of time it got over. Smooth means आराम से खत्म हुआ, अचानक से नहीं हुआ. Next word is absurd. Absurd means foolish, silly, nonsensical. Means जिसका कोई sense नहीं आता है. Something that is silly. And its antonym is logical or reasonable. Next word is abundant. That is what you are telling. Its meaning is ample, bountiful, means बहुत सारा. And its antonym is rare or scarce. Scarce means बहुत कम, थोड़ा थोड़ा. For that we use scarce.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it noun or adjective
These
or verb?
are these are not verb.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Hmm.
Abolish is a verb. Abolish. Abolish
Yes.
is a verb. Abrupt is also you can
Verb.
say verb.
Yes.
Verb. Yeah. Absurd. This is also verb. Abundant. Abundant is you can say
Adjective.
adjective.
Yes.
Yeah.
मैम
Ma'am,
एब्रप्ट में मुझे
how
लगता है
to?
एडजेक्टिव है एब्रप्ट, क्योंकि
Yes.
होता है ना कि एब्रप्ट इफेक्ट ऑफ, मतलब उसको एडजेक्टिव.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
abrupt. Abrupt.
Abrupt use of use of forest can destroy us. That like
No, no, not abrupt use of forest. Abrupt, you can say
एब्रप्ट
excessively.
एब्रप्ट
Abrupt, not adjective. It can be used as adverb.
adverb.
Yes.
Yes, adverb, not adjective, but adverb.
Ma'am, how can I
मैम
use it?
abrupt effect of amphan. So here abrupt is used as an adverb
Abrupt effect.
of the storm, amphan, bow, whatever. So here I think it is used as adjective.
Adjective means it defines a noun. Abrupt effect. अब हम effect के effect बोल रहे कि effect abrupt हुआ. We are not saying कि वो cyclone abrupt था. हम लोग effect abrupt बोल रहे हैं. Effect को. So effect is not a noun.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Someone else was asking something.
Ma'am, how to use it?
Abrupt.
No, this kind of word, how sometimes difficult to use.
Okay,
The,
yes, you are having difficulty in using those words. Okay,
yes,
like
yes.
that's why I gave some examples with abandon also. If you heard that, this is an abandoned city, an abandoned village. Or with yourself, you can say, my friends abandoned me. Okay, my friends abandoned me, मतलब मुझे मेरे दोस्त छोड़ दिए. My parents abandoned me. These parents abandoned their own child. Okay, these kinds of sentences abolish. So the rule was abolished. Now I'm saying only the rule. You can tell which rule was abolished. Okay, then abrupt. Sometimes you might have heard some teachers saying that your essay is ending abruptly. Please conclude it and end. Means पता चलना चाहिए कि end हुआ, कब खत्म हुआ पता ही नहीं चला, तो abrupt. Or sometimes it happens, she started screaming abruptly, she started talking in a loud voice or angrily, abruptly. She started talking in an angry voice abruptly. अचानक से वो गुस्से से बात करने लगी. Then absurd. Sometimes absurd is used for like situations. This is so absurd. कुछ हुआ, कुछ somebody told something which is very foolish, जिसका कोई sense नहीं निकलता है. Then we say that this is so absurd. What you said is very absurd. Okay. And abundant, like she already gave an example, is India is abundant in mineral ore. इंडिया में मिनरल ओर बहुत ज्यादा हैं. और forget about India, yourself you can say my home. My home abounds in love, abounds in sympathy and abounds in care. क्योंकि मेरे घर में love, care और sympathy बहुत ज्यादा है. Then also you can say. Next one is accelerate. Accelerate is very simple. Most of you commonly use it. Those who drive bikes and cars. Accelerator. The term accelerator is from accelerate, means to speed up. Hurry, hasten, jaldi karna. उसके लिए we use accelerate. Please accelerate your work means jaldi karo. Okay. and its antonym is decelerate. Accelerate का opposite decelerate or slow down. Next is accomplish. Accomplish is to achieve, attain, gain or reach. I have accomplished my goal. मैं अपने goal तक पहुंच गई. Try to accomplish what you have set for yourself. तुमने अपने लिए जो निर्धारित किया है उसे पाने की कोशिश करो. And its antonym is fail, forsake or give up. Next one is accumulate. Accumulate means jama karna. So the words are collect, gather or pile up. Antonym is scatter, disperse, dissipate. Now accumulates a sentence. Not just the word accumulate will be there, it sometimes may change into accumulated. So like pile up meaning is there. So lot of work accumulated because I kept leaving them for the next day. मतलब मैं काम को कल के लिए टालती गई और सब कल के लिए जमा हो गया, ढेर सारा काम जमा हो गया. So a lot of work got accumulated because uh, I kept what was the word I used? I myself forgot. Postponing them for tomorrow. Next one is accuse. Accuse means किसी पे blame लगाना. So words are like charge, indict, allege. You might have heard this word allege sometimes in movies when there is a courtroom drama. So as my client has been allegedly said means दोष लगाते हुए कहा गया है. So this is the word allege or accused. My client has been accused of theft. So मेरे client पे दोष लगाया गया है. And antonym defend. So accused you
Allegation
can
also,
even
ma'am,
yes.
also allegation,
Yes,
alleged or
allegation is
allegation,
from the word allege.
noun
Allegation is
form.
from the word allege only.
Yes, noun form. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. And the last word is baffle. Baffle is amaze, puzzle, astound means अचंभा हो जाना. Puzzle हो जाना means समझ नहीं पाना कि क्या हो रहा है. Then we say baffle. And its antonym is clarify or explain. So baffle को हम sentences में कैसे use करेंगे? If someone is telling something or you can say a friend of yours who is very poor in studies, okay, and comes first class or passes first class. So I got baffled after hearing this news. मतलब ये न्यूज सुन के मैं तो अचंभे में पड़ गया. Then we can use baffle. Okay.
मतलब
These
कंफ्यूज हो जाना.
yes, puzzle is same as confuse. Puzzle मतलब confusion ही होना. And other words are like amaze, astonishment means अचंभा में पड़ जाना. Okay. I'm showing you once again. Take note of them. Take note of these.
मैम
Yes.
नंबर 3 में जैसे हम सडन को सडनली लिख सकते हैं मतलब कभी कभी
Yeah.
यूज करते हैं तो वैसे क्या एब्रप्टली लिख
Yes.
सकते हैं
Yes, we can. I think even
एब्रप्टली ओके
when I told the sentences, I said abruptly. Abruptly.
ओके
We
ओके
can
मैम
use it.
थैंक यू ओके मैम
Yes.
Ma'am, give an example with astound.
Astound.
Oh, baffle. Amaze,
Baff-
puzzle, astound.
Okay. See, astound is the word is this word is same as astonished. The word astonished comes from astound. Okay. So same thing that when a friend you know is very poor in studies and comes first class. Same way, I was astounded to hear this news. Use astound or baffled. Meaning remains the same. Or even you can say, I was astonished to hear this news. I'm really astounded. I'm really astonished. Or I'm really baffled.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Then we can come to the group discussion topic here today. It is a bit, you can say, to try, you have to try to dig deep into it, and kind of a serious topic. That is, blood is thicker than water. You have to, like, this is the abstract topic. You have to tell many things in this topic.
What is the topic?
Blood is thicker than water. इसका मतलब क्या होता है, पहले वो आप लोग को निकालना है, एंड कहाँ कहाँ पर ये अप्लाई होता है, ये आप लोग को पता करना है. तो ब्लड इज थिकर देन वाटर सबसे कॉमनली उस चीज पे बोला जाता है कि हमारा जो रिलेशनशिप है, ब्लड रिलेशनशिप ज्यादा मायने रखता है बाहरी रिलेशनशिप से. So you can go for it also. You can, there are sometimes cases that, yeah, blood does not support us but someone else support us. ये भी होता है कि अपने फैमिली मेंबर सपोर्ट नहीं करते लेकिन फैमिली से बाहर वाले लोग भी कभी सपोर्ट करते हैं. So this will have like various aspects and it is like a vast topic. So whatever you can get and whatever you can think about this topic, just write that. Is the topic clear to everyone?
No, ma'am. Please
No.
explain.
ओके, ब्लड इज थिकर देन वाटर कहने का मतलब है कि अपने जो खून का रिश्ता है ना, वो बाहरी रिश्ते से ज्यादा मायने रखता है. थिक, थिक मतलब ज्यादा मायने रखता है, यही
Okay,
मतलब
ma'am.
है इसका. समटाइम्स वी ऑल्सो से कि जब अपने ही साथ में देंगे तो कौन साथ देगा. इट इज समवॉट रिलेटेड टू दिस कि हम लोग का जो ब्लड रिलेशन होता है, फैमिली रिलेशन होता है, वही हमारा सुख दुख में साथ दे सकते हैं. जो हमारा ब्लड रिलेशन नहीं है वो हमें ज्यादा साथ नहीं दे सकते, वो ज्यादा हमें हमारा केयर भी नहीं करेंगे. बट हमारा फैमिली मेंबर्स, दे विल टेक केयर ऑफ अस और दे विल थिंक अबाउट अस.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, anyone else, if you're not clear, ask right now, then we can like go on to writing your passage. Okay, then I think everybody has understood.
हाँ मैम, मुझे लगता
Yes.
है ये मतलब बुजुर्ग लोग का टॉपिक है ये. अभी तो थोड़ा मतलब अभी खून का रिश्ता ये कैसे हम बताएंगे अभी.
But still you have to think on it. You cannot leave it ki when I'll grow old, then I'll discuss on this topic. Okay, just think and try to, because this is literature, English, so you have to like be sometimes more elaborative, descriptive. Okay, students, I think we should start now. Are you all ready?
No, ma'am.
Okay, others, because it is already 12:54.
Ma'am, I can say something.
Okay, you're ready. Okay, let's listen, Papia.
Yes, ma'am, I can. I can't hear you.
I'm telling, let's listen whatever you have prepared. Let's listen to that.
Okay, ma'am. I'm just trying.
Okay.
Blood relation, blood is thicker than water is a proverb which literally means that blood relationship is most important than any other relationship. It is true that when we are in distress, we mostly need our relatives. Sometimes we lost anything that's materialistic or emotional attachment, then they stand with us. It is absolutely true about our parents' daughter or parents' son relationship. But sometimes fake people are also there. They are in a mask and they pretend that they are happy in your happiness, but they are not. They are also trying to harm you using your trust. These relatives are dangerous. Keep distance from this type of relatives. And one thing that I would like to add that the friends who are not from our blood relationship is the most precious thing in this world. A true friend can do anything from another. Above all, they can give us mental support for anything we do. We can share anything that which is bad or good easily to them. But at last, I would like to conclude that as we all knows the story of bear and friends, and at the end, the bear advised that friend that not to trust in false friends. As we all have some true and false friends, so go to the true friends and or relatives and eliminate the bad ones. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, so you have said good. Papia, I will tell you have said good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Malika.
ma'am, I say something.
Yes, say.
Okay, ma'am. Sometimes I listen at my home that our elder parents says that blood is thicker than water. I think it is true because family relations and bloods are closer than other relationships. For example, when I get into trouble, usually my family will be tense and they try to bail me out, not my friends. After all, blood is thicker than water. If my brother will be going through a difficult period and needs support, I drop everything and I will go to stand by him. This is blood is thicker than water. That's all, ma'am.
That's all. Okay, Malika, well tried, and you have said good also. Whatever you have said, good points.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Others, if anyone is ready,
Yes, ma'am. May I tell?
yes, Mosmi.
It is easy to understand the meaning of blood relation means a family. In a family, all the members take care of each other. They love each other. When anybody get trouble, then the other family members get the support of him or her. Every person need a secure place and some relationships. Without relationship, a man can live happily. The family relationships are more important than any other relationship in the world. It was realized when I was cheated by anyone. In my life, I have a best friend from my childhood. I believe her more from my I believe her more than any other member as my mother or my elder sister. So I share my all feelings, but suddenly she changed, and this time I realized that mother or any family members never deceive you, and they are the real friends of you.
That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Since you have told this out of your own experience, again, it is good. Okay, anyone else? Only Shubham and Sunetro, you two are left.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sunetro.
Today's topic is blood is thicker than water. For living, blood and water both are important. Blood relationship is a great relationship. It helps us always. It is our nearest relationship. Our family is a blood relationship. It's never died. We can donate our blood in each other in case of medical issue. But other than blood relations, may be a chance of create great relation. Other relation is also too important in our social life. The relationship of friend have a chance of create strong bonding. We play, we travel, study together. We help to each other in every situation. We go to school together. Friendship relation is too important forever, but this is not a blood relation. Like this, there have many relations which is not blood relation, but they are important in our life. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, before I say anything, I would like all of you to once give a clap for Sunetro. He had said it very nicely. I'm really impressed. Like, I'm really happy out of what you have said, Sunetro, today. Like, I
Thank you, ma'am.
appreciate it a lot. Okay,
And
Thank you,
its
ma'am.
and
introduction part is very good.
very good. It is when none of us had that inclination of thought that blood and water both are
Water.
important for life, and then he related it how it is important. It is very good. Well said,
Yes,
Sunetro.
ma'am.
Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Shubham.
Yes. The proverb blood is thicker than water has an internal meaning, which is family is more important than any other persons like friends, strangers, etc. As family is blood relation and friends aren't. When you find yourself in a difficult situation, it is your family who extend their helping hands first. On the initial days, it is our family or parents who take care of us. Suppose in some day in future, any accident happened to you, then the relations other than blood ones will not going to stand by. Then it is your own blood when who will care for you. I saw many youngsters in their life due to some betrayal in their relationships, but if they do think that for this type of misdoings the most affected will be their parents. Again, suppose you are doing a business, now your business is going slow, no profit comes out, then you will find the friend circle you got when time was, सॉरी मैम, खुद का ही राइटिंग समझ में नहीं आ रहा, इतना जल्दी में लिख लिया, रुकिए.
Okay,
We'll
means
find
when
the
time was bad, you mean to say worse times, worse situations.
worst time. In worst time you got when there was everything for you are vanishing one by one. When your friend circle is vanishing one by
Yeah,
one, then it is
they're
your
all
own
huh.
blood who will never go away from your side. Their continuous support motivate you all time. But sometimes there are some cases where friends are more helpful, but the relatives of you act like an enemies of you. At last, I would say that there are good and bad things in every system, so we have to identify who is good and bad. That is all.
Yes. Okay, you also well said. Okay. So only one thing, a slight thing which I would like you to bring your notice, your attention to is when we say blood is thicker than water. So according to blood, we say our blood relationship, that is family. But this topic is having even more deeper meaning than blood relationship. Because even if literally you see your mother and father, you are related in blood to your mother and father, but are your mother and father related in a blood relationship? No, they have a relationship which is more than blood. That is also considered as family relationship. But after that, the offspring, they share a blood relationship. So this proverb, it has a deeper meaning. Blood relationship means with whom you connect, the people with whom you connect. Yes, it is said it is family relationship, people who are your family. And like I would like connect with what Sunetro had said, that yes, blood is thicker than water, but blood and water both are essential for your life. You cannot do away with either. So yes, blood is important, but water is also important. Water meaning saying other relationships like your friend circle which you meet. They are also important. And yes, good thing said that yes, everything has a good and bad side also. So even in friendship, we have to choose the good ones. We need to find out who are our real friends and who are the fake friends, who are happy with our happiness and who feel sorrow when we are sad. So we have to even take notice of that also, and then only it's like our life will be a successful life. Okay, there is not much to say in this topic. Anyone else who wants to reiterate any other points? So no one. Then okay, then we can stop our class here today. And since I'm also running out of good topics from next class, if you also get some interesting topic in which you can discuss, because today's topic we could hardly discuss, we could not discuss at all. So in which everybody can participate with an interest. Try to find out. I'll also try. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Oh,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. And one who had asked me question about difference between a few and the few, I will tell you in the next class. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay then.
Thank you, ma'am.